So XenZone's been around for quite a while. We were founded in 2001. It was founded by a lady called Elaine Bousfield. She was working in Manchester in a mental health charity, giving counselling to people. So she launched XenZone and then got started. What she discovered after just a couple of years, that the people who were turning up looking for counselling weren't men, they were children. And at first she thought, well, this is terrifying. But she actually just went for it. She thought, no, they're looking for help. We can give them help. Let's see what we can do. And off the back of that, they've built our main product, still our core, the thing we love, Kooth. Kooth is a website, a web platform for children and young people to get help with mental, emotional and social difficulties. They can talk to a counsellor, they can read a magazine, they can participate in forums, so talk to other kids, goal setting, an emotion journal, things like that. And all text-based, it's all online, and it's all encrypted and highly secured.
I think a lot of the users are feeling quite sort of disconnected, and that being able to feel heard and being able to feel part of a community is something that can provide a lot of strength and fulfillment for humans everywhere. Even if these children feel like their home life or their day-to-day life isn't particularly welcoming, isn't particularly safe, that they can feel like they have somewhere where they can get that support and do feel safe.
The problems we were experiencing were around managing that infrastructure. We knew how we wanted to improve things. We knew that we wanted a better flow of deployments. We knew that the things we were doing with things like Kubernetes and Cloud SQL were working, but could be better. What I was really looking for was a collection of committed technologists who could come in and work well with an engineering team who knew where they wanted to go, knew that they wanted to take ownership, were open, and were really just seeking someone to sit alongside them to provide advice and expertise. And what I saw from Jetstack in the first conversations was a real focus and understanding of what matters about the technology and how you deliver this effectively. And I thought that this is the sort of company that can work well with the sort of team that we're building. When we first started working with Jetstack, immediately what we saw was things getting done and improvements being made and a collection of things that we knew we needed to change. That freed us up to think about some of the other things we knew we wanted to work on. And then what we saw was Jetstack stepping in and giving us that advice. Basically our philosophy on this was there was a lot of people who've been spending a lot of time working out how to use Kubernetes effectively for them, and we just kind of wanted to skip over all of that. We didn't want to have repeat that learning experience. We wanted someone else to say, okay, there was a bunch of experiments that have been done, people have been figuring some stuff out, here's what good looks like at this point in time. And we know that's going to evolve, but we wanted to just jump to that. Jetstack were a really easy company to work with. They integrated well with our process, our people. They have been just really committed to good technology, and we're really excited about what we can do for our kids. And we're really excited that we can have Jetstack help us focus on that.